My name is Naveed Nawaz, and my question is for Owen Bennett Jones. Owen, as you know that it is quite usual thing that generals and intelligence agencies give dictation to the courts, to the politicians, and to the media. My question to you is that has it ever happened in your country? And if it did, what was the reaction of the respondents?
Good question.
Or if it did not happen in the past, in case if it happens in the future, what do you predict? What will be the reaction of the media?
Thank you very much.
And the courts and the political leaders?
If I understood you correctly, you were saying how would UK journalists react to repression from the state, effectively? I believe we have it in a more subtle form. In Pakistan, it may be quite brutal. It is brutal. Journalists die here. In the UK, government employs literally thousands of people to control what we say. So do commercial companies, in order to get what they want into the newspapers, onto television and into radio. It is the same process. It is government control of what we write. It's just done with less violence. And I have to say, the press is compliant. And I think I stand in awe of Pakistani journalists who resist in the face of violence with more courage and principled determination than many of us manage in the West when we face people trying to control us.